Welcome to the fascinating world of woodworking, where creativity meets craftsmanship. This art form not only allows you to create stunning pieces that enhance your home decor but also opens the door to endless opportunities for income generation. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or just starting out, woodworking offers a fulfilling way to express your creativity while producing beautiful, functional items. From intricately designed furniture to charming home accents, every project tells a story and reflects your unique style. As you embark on this journey, you'll discover the joy of transforming raw materials into exquisite creations that can bring warmth and character to any space. In addition to its artistic appeal, woodworking is a gateway to entrepreneurship. By mastering the skills and techniques of crafting wooden projects, you can turn your passion into a profitable side hustle. The demand for handmade, artisanal goods continues to rise as consumers seek unique and sustainable alternatives to mass-produced items. Whether you're crafting custom furniture, personalized gifts, or decorative pieces, each item you create has the potential to resonate with buyers looking for quality and authenticity. As you hone your skills, you'll not only enhance your home with stunning decor but also build a brand that reflects your vision and artistry, paving the way for a successful venture in the woodworking industry. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the world of woodworking. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights in today's video. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more creative projects and tips, please remember to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends and fellow crafting enthusiasts. Your support helps us continue to bring you engaging and informative content, and we'd love to have you as part of our growing community. Stay tuned for more amazing woodworking ideas, tutorials, and inspiration that will empower you to unleash your creativity and craft stunning pieces for your home. Handcrafted wooden decor pieces offer a unique charm that mass-produced items simply can't replicate. Each project tells a story, reflecting the artisan's creativity and dedication. From intricately carved sculptures to sleek, minimalist furniture, the possibilities are endless. By choosing to create these stunning pieces, you not only enhance your living space but also tap into a market that appreciates the value of artisanal work. Crafting wooden items gives you the chance to showcase your personal style while potentially turning a profit. Before diving into your woodworking projects, it's crucial to equip yourself with the right tools. Basic tools like a saw, drill, sander, and clamps are essential for beginners. As you advance, consider investing in specialized equipment such as a router or a bandsaw to expand your capabilities. Proper tools not only enhance the quality of your work but also make the crafting process smoother and more enjoyable. Familiarizing yourself with these tools will increase your confidence and efficiency, allowing you to tackle more ambitious projects. One of the most versatile projects you can undertake is crafting custom shelves. These can range from floating shelves to rustic wooden bookcases, allowing you to cater to different tastes and styles. Floating shelves, for instance, can be a stylish way to display books, plants, or decorative items, while a sturdy bookshelf can serve as a focal point in any room. By offering custom designs or finishes, you can attract a wider audience and build a reputation for quality craftsmanship. Wooden planters are an excellent project for those who love gardening or wish to bring a touch of nature indoors. Crafting planters allows you to experiment with different shapes and sizes, from small herb boxes to large outdoor planters. Incorporating drainage holes and weather-resistant finishes ensures that your planters are both functional and durable. These charming additions not only enhance your decor but also appeal to eco-conscious consumers looking to beautify their spaces sustainably. Creating personalized wooden keepsake boxes can be a lucrative venture, especially for special occasions such as weddings, birthdays, and anniversaries. These boxes can be customized with engravings, unique designs, or special compartments for jewelry or mementos. The personal touch adds sentimental value, making them highly sought-after gifts. By marketing your boxes through social media or craft fairs, you can reach customers looking for meaningful and unique presents. Restoring vintage wooden furniture is not only a rewarding project but also a profitable side hustle. Many people appreciate the character and history of older pieces but may lack the skills to restore them. By acquiring worn-out furniture and breathing new life into it with your woodworking skills, you can create stunning, one-of-a-kind pieces. This not only helps reduce waste but also allows you to offer unique items that appeal to both nostalgia and sustainability. Wooden serving boards and trivets are another excellent project idea that combines functionality with aesthetic appeal. These items are perfect for entertaining and can be designed in various styles and finishes. Consider incorporating unique shapes or personalized engravings to make your product stand out. Given the rise in home entertaining, these items can be marketed effectively, appealing to customers looking for both practicality and style in their kitchenware. Wooden wall art offers a unique way to express creativity while adding character to any space. From intricate geometric designs to rustic signs, the possibilities are endless. Using reclaimed wood can add an eco-friendly element to your projects, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. Crafting these art pieces can be a fulfilling way to showcase your artistic abilities while also creating items that can be sold at markets or online. As you gain confidence and expertise in woodworking, consider sharing your knowledge through workshops or classes. This not only allows you to connect with other craft enthusiasts but also creates an additional revenue stream. Teaching others how to create their own wooden projects can foster a sense of community and encourage more people to appreciate the art of woodworking. Plus, it positions you as an expert in your field, enhancing your brand and attracting more customers to your products. To turn your woodworking passion into a profitable side hustle, building an online presence is crucial. Utilize social media platforms, create a website, and engage with potential customers through blogs or newsletters. Showcase your projects with high-quality images and share the stories behind each piece. By building a brand that reflects your unique style and values, you can attract a loyal customer base and turn your woodworking hobby into a thriving business. Thank you for watching our video. We truly appreciate your time and support, and we hope you found the content inspiring and informative. If you enjoyed what you saw, please consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting projects and tips in the world of woodworking. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends and fellow enthusiasts. Your engagement helps us reach a wider audience and continue creating valuable content. We're thrilled to have you as part of our community, and we can't wait to share more creative ideas and inspiration with you in our future videos.